Today I want to create a new world. What should I name it?
Maybe I will stream. I'm feeling a little adventurous.
Okay, I called my world I will stream. How do you put
Yo, how the fuck did Voima? Oh, that's right. I changed it to be that.
How did you put Ooh. How do you put
I instantly started streaming.
Oh.
Hey chat. I don't have the Twitch app on my phone. I can't read chat.
Download.
Oh, I forgot to change the title too. It says I'm playing Hypixel Bed Wars.
That's okay. Leave it.
Yeah, fuck it, bro.
Just change the category to just chatting or something. Or leave it as Minecraft.
Yeah, I'll leave it as Minecraft. Okay, I gotta make a tree. I will start like this. Oh my fucking god, Is my stream like super fucked up looking for you?
Let me go in your Twitch.
Or maybe it's just a stream manager preview and it's different?
Oh!
How bad is it? Okay, I'm opening the stream.
You get 1 frame per every now and then.
I just got an ad, what the fuck?
Yeah, your stream is, it's very good.
Bro, it says the stream duration is negative 66 seconds. Shut up, bear. Okay.
Ooh. Can I put
Oh
trees
my
on
god,
board?
I just had like fucking 6 bear sounds.
Okay, I have my endless forest. No, paint. There you go.
Okay, I'm restarting OBS. Why is it only detecting software? Now hold on down a second.
Did I just delete the... No, I didn't. Okay, that was weird.
Yeah, I love how the stream is at negative 110 seconds.
Oh! Okay. Yes. The tree. Yes.
The tree!
The tree. This is what I'm gonna build my house around. Oh. I need it.
Oh. Something is very, very wrong. This shit pissed me off, man.
How'd I get rid of this torch? Gosh darn it! Gosh darn it! Oh, and the game crashed.
Hello, recording? Test.
I might just restart completely.
Sounds like a you problem, dog. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm restarting. What do I want to build? Oh, I know. Blacksmith. Yes. Excellent.
Someone should make a Minecraft village, straight up. Someone should make a Minecraft village. Straight up.
Inventory. Spawn item. Give me brick. Give me hay. Give me...
Is that like a magic spell?
Yeah. Alright, let's
If
start
anybody not from fucking New Zealand hears that, they'll be like, what the hell is he talking about?
Like zany?
Like zany?
Okay.
You can keep your job. Oh my god.
Clipped. Oh, I need to do
sir.
this and this. Here we go. Oh. Dorm hat.
Oh shit, bro.
My floor is a bit too high for the doormat. Okay, I gotta redo the floor then. Okay. Oh. You're right there?
Yeah. Okay, this shit is... You know, like how in Minecraft where they do like they place one block and then they instantly skip to the next block place?
Yeah. Okay. What do you even make roofs? Oh, yeah. Facts.
Bro, forgot the first video. But this isn't really good because there's a tree like right in the middle of the window, back almost.
To be honest, I have absolutely zero clue what you just said there, but okay.
The hell do you want? Alright, get out. Man, I'm just gonna hold it by below, man. Oh, man. Oh, we got someone in the chat. Hey, man. What's up?
Are you?
Yeah, are you liking the stream so far?
You're not
Bro, I'm
streaming.
talking to you, man. I'm reporting you for fail IP.
What?
Oh, praise the Lord. I think I just accidentally deleted all this shit. All this shiz. I gotta keep it family friendly for chat.
Who are you even streaming to, man? You're just Discord streaming.
Bruh. This shit. Who's Jeremy? Is that your friend?
Jerma.
Oh wow, I can't wait to meet your friend, man.
Yeah, I'm friends with Jerma.
Wow, dude, how'd you meet him?
I 985'd.
Wow, dude, that's awesome to hear, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So what's he like? Is he like weird, you know?
Nah, he's pretty chill.
Oh yeah. I haven't met the guy myself.
And now I gotta build the furnace. I got the shack down. And now it's the furnace time. Spawn item. Oof. Jeez.
Sorry. Hay fever, am I right? I'm put a laugh track in post. How do you think Robert Locks is doing?
The CEO of Roblox?
Yeah. Who else? At least I'm not balding.
What?
You heard me.
No! 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 What?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. It's not so funny now, huh? Bro, this shit's fucking pissing me off, man. It's like fucking... Breathe, bro. Breathe. Bro, that bear just ate a tree. Oh, wow, man. When'd you learn to beatbox like that?
The Beatboxing Academy?
Oh.
Does that look like an
that.
anvil? Chat. Type your answer in the comment. Does that look like an anvil? Engagement bait success?
Nice. Good work.
There we go. I think that looks slightly more like an anvil, kind of.
Yeah, it does. Just see how many sets of pants I go through a day.
Okay, we got like a nice forest type beat going on over here now. Very nice. It's like a cabin in the middle of nowhere, except for that part. Don't look at that part. I'll fix that later. Actually, I'll do it right now.
I'm not looking at any of it, dude.
Okay.
How do we do this, man? We just have so many engineered awkward moments. You see those bears fumbling on the fucking cone shit, bro? Cone stack? I swear, bro, Vaughn would just be placing shit wherever. Oh,
This is
it's
a
one of those
really-
really hot ones?
It's a really weird looking furnace I made, but fuck it.
Let me see, bro. Oh. That looks like a Minecraft furnace if it was made out of diorite.
It looks like a scary Minecraft furnace, you know? Like a... What are we making in the furnace? We're making bricks. Yeah. We're drying our bricks out.
I like how it has the mortar on it too.
What do you mean? No. It's raw bricks, raw clay bricks.
Drawing your bricks of brick wall.
Now I gotta build a toilet because everyone needs a toilet.
I'm sick of this shit, man. L2 really know what he's doing, bro. He's coded before.
This guy is definitely programmed.
This guy is what we call a programmer in the business, in the biz. He works as a janitor.
You know
Or used to.
You know I worked at Blizzard for 12 years, and I can tell this guy is definitely a programmer.
Yeah, I worked at Microsoft for 5 octillion years. This guy knows how to program. Oh, that looks stupid, bro.
Oh! How big can I
Fell
make
to
my
his death.
table?
Man, how hungry are you?
Oof, that's philosophy right there.
If you aren't hungry, a man shall only need a small table.
Ooh, that's deep, bro. That's pretty deep. A dining table complete?
That
Huh?
does not look like.
What else does a blacksmith need? Oh, they need a bed. Put the bed right next to the toilet.
That is not fucking.
Fire bed, bro. No, that's a good bed. I'd sleep on that any day.
That's a furnace.
Well, you know what
How
else?
hard would you need to shit for it to whistle while it flies through the air?
Here looks good. Axe. Okay.
Can you make a Harbor Freight torque wrench?
I'm not too sure about that. Make a pickaxe.
Just try it, bro.
Make a pickaxe.
What is this, Minecraft, dude? Can't wait to post this building. Demo general. And get a lot of heart emojis. Oh, man, the world editing is actually so cool.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, shit.
Now spawn in some
That
bears.
dude has a shotgun.
I'm gonna spawn in some bears. Perfect. Go be
I
free,
love
my
when I
bears.
shoot the ground and this happens.
Be free, my bears.
Get out my fucking face, bro.
You bear.
Get over here, John.
Here we go. I'm making some friends. Come here, friends.
Oh
Yeah.
my. I see him quit the menu. I'm done murdering fucking bears.
Now.
World name?
Oh man, I'm trying to do my
Well-
outro.
Okay, sorry.
Now.
Yeah, I'm making it.
Now we can all relax and just chill. Okay, what were you saying?